Hi, my name is Steve Haith with DSG Industrial Cleaning Systems. I'd like to introduce Shay Torek of Redemptorist Center. Shay was kind enough to invite us in to do a little disinfecting in his clothing closet. Shay, before I get started, can you tell us a little bit about Redemptorist Social Services Center?
Yes, thank you. Redemptorist Social Services Center has been a lifeline to our community, helping the poor and the homeless with things such as emergency financial assistance, food, clothing, and hygiene items.
We really appreciate this opportunity, and let's get started disinfecting.
Thank you.
Thanks. First, we're using an electrostatic sprayer by Victory Innovations. This happens to be the backpack model. Why an electrostatic sprayer? Essentially, the electrostatic sprayer positively charges the molecules of the disinfectant. So as you begin to spray and the molecules of the disinfectant begin to fall, they attach themselves like magnets to any negatively charged surface. The disinfectant that we recommend is named Vital Oxide. Vital Oxide is an EPA-registered, NSF-registered disinfectant. The active ingredient used for disinfection is chlorine dioxide. Vital Oxide will kill just about everything, including the SARS-CoV-2, which is believed to be the cause behind the COVID-19 virus.